Ah, there we are. Hey, it's day 4 of the drum build for Volbeat, Mr. John Larson's new Pearl Masters Series kit. It's actually a new model for John. It's the Masters, but it's a different level of Masters. It's a Premium Legend Series, the SST. It's pretty much built. I didn't do an update yesterday because it wasn't fully built, and I was really busy getting it all together. Today I'm finishing up some internal miking stuff, so I just kind of wanted to show you that today, what's involved in that anyway, and you get a good idea. And for any of you drummers that want to do it to your kit, you'll kind of know, what we did to outfit ours. We're using Audix mics, and we're using the May mounting system in conjunction with each other inside the drum. So I'm going to show you. We have the pieces here. When you buy the kit from May, it comes with the external XLR mount and the cable that goes into the drum. It comes with the bracket that you fasten inside, and it comes with various parts like this, as you'll see over here. The one thing it doesn't come with is a way to attach the clip that you're going to use. So you want to either get a knob for it, or like I did, I just got some nylon bolts. They don't have to be nylon, it's just what I found, and some lock washers and some rubber washers. And this is what it looks like inside the drum. I used the existing screws that hold on the lug mounts to the drum, and I just chose my position near one of the breather holes. The May system that we bought is designed to go through your existing. It's designed to go through your existing breather hole. I had Pearl put 2 in. I had Pearl put 1 there and 1 there, so that I could use one for the mounting, and then we still have another one to let enough air out of the drum when John plays, because he hits pretty hard. You will get a little air through these. They're designed to let air out, but I feel safer with having an actual breather hole not obstructed. So that's why I had them drill that, so I didn't have to do it. Anyway, the one thing I do want to say is, any of you drummers out there that get new kits, make sure that when you open the drum, these are tight. Okay, it's not that these were loose, but they're only factory tight, and I found taking a screwdriver to each one, I got a pretty good turn on it till it was what I considered tight enough. Don't over tighten them, but get them so that they're not going to fall out. They have fallen out on me during drum transportation gig to gig, because I added a tom last tour and I didn't check those, and one of them came loose and it fell out. So that's why I always check them now. So what you're seeing here is the Audix D2 microphone. We use those in all John's toms up until his standalone 16, which we use the D4 in, and his standalone 18, which we use a D6 bass drum mic in, which I'll show you tomorrow. But anyway, standard D2 microphone. It comes with a clip. We use the Audix clip, and like I said, I went and got bolts at Home Depot with a lock washer to make sure it's not going to move. You can get a knob, like I said, but you really got to crank down on that knob, and I think having a lock washer with a hex bolt is going to be stronger, and it's going to be it's going to stop it from moving and loosening up from vibration. Alright, so you attach the bracket here, you attach the mount, the microphone clip here, and then attach your mic. The cabling, okay, which looks like this. Okay, you have your May outside XLR input for outside the drum, goes through the vent hole, and then threads onto this wing nut right here, and a couple washers they give you too. These pins are meant to attach to another piece that they don't supply. You get that in one of the bigger, the upgrade models, but what I do is I use these 3 pins to go right onto the 3 pins in the microphone. So under here, on the bottom of the microphone, let me see if I can show you. Try to do this with one hand. I take those 3 pins and I put them on those pins here. Okay. So actually they're not pins, these are clips, but you know what I'm saying. So these 3 go on those 3. And they're labeled 1, 2, one's not labeled, 2 and 3. Okay, so the pins go 1, 2, and 3 down on the bottom. I put them directly on the microphone. The reason for that is because it's a shorter distance from here to the actual XLR cable you're plugging in on the outside of the drum, so there's less chance of a bad connection than if you went from that input to the bracket and then from another connection on the bracket to the mic, which is another design May makes and wants people to use. So anyway, I bypassed that second piece and I went straight to the mic, taped it in with electrical tape nice and tight, making sure it wasn't coming loose. Attached the mic to here, tighten that up, and we're good to go. And then I plug a cable in on the outside of the drum, as you can see. On the outside of the drum, looks nice. I might change the angle of that depending on what it looks like when I get it on the kit. But I tested it and it works great, so I put the head back on and we're good to go usually, until our sound guy tells me otherwise. So that's it. It's really easy to do. You can get the May system on DW's website, I believe, and through different retailers. So just look them up online. And you know, the Audix mics, been using those inside the drums for a long time, and they're fantastic. And our front of house guy really loves them too. So thanks to Audix. All right. So till tomorrow, I will be doing an update. You'll see the full kit finally. And then on Monday we get cases to put everything in, so I'll show you those, and then I am out of here on Tuesday to go enjoy the holidays with my family in Boston. So anybody that's watching that's in Boston or around Boston in Massachusetts, I guess I'll see you next week. All right, have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.